This auction is for all of these clothes. This is for boys 18 months and 24 months. And my son was born in July, so he's a summer baby, so you could calculate for the years for your own child. I have everything from windbreakers. These are 2-year-old, 2 windbreakers. I have hats, some socks. I have this winter sets for the sweaters and the pants, tops and bottoms. I have a whole bunch of long pants and even denims. Have overalls for the summer, for the summer matching tops with their pants, the shorts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's actually a 3-piece set with the shorts. Look at all of these pants again, jeans included. Even more, there's some swimming trunks in there too. These are the onesie type, one set. It's really easy to wear. The snaps on the bottom. Let me show you guys. Snaps on the bottom. Have all of those. This is just the shirt. This is another summer top on the bottom. This one's actually a Nike top on the bottom. I have some great brand names in here too. Again, this is another for the winter, the pants and the sweater. These are onesies, short sleeve summer onesies. Actually, I paired them up with all those pants. These are 18-month and 2-year, 24-month winter PJs. And this one's actually a Disney one, just so I can show you guys these type of PJs. And there's that kind of PJs and some pants. Another winter pants with the matching sweater with the hoodie. These are long sleeve onesies. I have 3 turtlenecks that snap in the bottom, onesie type. And these are sweaters again with hoodies on a few of them. And these are sweaters. This is the army, the dinosaurs, and the camouflage. Again, just and a vest. I have one vest. Those. The vest actually looked really nice over the turtlenecks with some pants, jeans. Okay, that's it.